Hi beauties, how are you doing? Are you finding little things to do around the house? I hope so. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you a list of things to do inside, in case you're bored, that my granddaughter Bianca sent me. So, stay tuned for that. In the meantime, there's a couple of little things that I've had on my list to tell you that might be helpful or interesting. One is, if you have an iPhone, and you're gonna love this, it's called Shazam. Shazam! And let me tell you why I love this. I was shopping in Sephora one day and I heard a great song coming through the speakers and I didn't know what it was, and I was just, oh, how am I going to find out the name of this song? There happened to be a young girl nearby, and I stopped her and I said, do you know what song this is? Do you know what song this is? Immediately, she picked up her phone and she tapped on this app called Shazam. And here it is, that blue and white one. And she tapped on it and put it in the air, and within a minute she told me the name of the song. So if you hear any music that you want to know the name of it, you just hit this, watch that. You hit it and you get that, and then you press that and see how it's moving, it's pulsating, it's listening. So it can pick up the notes, the music, the sound, and it can tell you what the music is. So of course there's no result because it was only my voice. But I have used this so many times. Oh, and it stops doing it when it picks the song up. And it gives you the name, and then you can go right to the song and listen to it and save it. I think it's so cool. Another thing that I really think is so cool is called Afterpay. And every now and then I use it. When I'm shopping online and it's not within my budget, if I see something for $40, $50 I don't want to spend right now, you click on Afterpay if it shows up on that website. So always check under Add to Cart, and it might show up. You can have the alternate to pay with Afterpay. What Afterpay is break your payments up into 4 payments. So if you're buying something for $50, $60 and you can't shell out the money that week, they will just bill you for maybe $15 every 2 weeks. And it's perfect. You get what you want. You pay a little bit at a time. It's kind of like the old-fashioned layaway. I used to love layaway in the stores. When my kids were little, I used to put $8, an $8 item on layaway. I remember my parents laughing, but I didn't have any of the money. There was something I wanted and I couldn't afford it, so I put it on layaway. So just a couple of little things to brighten up your day. And wait till you see this list that my granddaughter made. It's a great, great list of what to do during this time. Things to do inside the house for fun. Paint, draw, make slime, play games, sketch, collage, tie-dye, bake, practice calligraphy, learn guitar, write songs, write poetry, make food from scratch, decorate a cake, find new music. And she said, if you're feeling lazy, make TikToks, watch TV, watch YouTube, watch movies, and online shop. Self-care, she made all these different categories. Take bubble baths, do face masks, make body scrubs, try makeup looks, learn to curl your hair, braid your hair, and do meditation. Play brain game apps, play chess, read books, study for app tests, SATs, get tutored, clean out your closet, declutter, clean room, finish photo wall, Wii games, Just Dance and Wii Fit, yoga, run, walk on treadmill, ab workouts. Make jewelry, sell clothes online. If you want to go out, go to the beach, Palos Verdes, hike to the Hollywood sign, Botanical Gardens, Abalone Cove, go on drives. She really made a list. Games that you could play with your family: Risk, Game of Life, Poker, Monopoly, Spoons, Cards Against Humanity, Uno, Sorry, Nintendo Switch, Mafia, Just Dance, Mario Kart, Headbands, Heads Up, that's a fun one. Apples to Apples, Most Likely To for the girls, Funny with the Family, Left, Right, Center. She made this list of things to do inside so no one gets bored. Isn't that cute? So cute. Well, I think if you read over this list and do some of these things, you're not going to be bored. So it was nice talking to you today. I love each and every one of you, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you.